Rolling spikes!
What are you, Judy? Sorry. Could you show me that clip again? Wasn't wearing my glasses.
Come on, get on up. We're wild and we can't be tamed. And we're turning the floor into a zoo. We live in a crazy world, caught up in a rat race. Concrete jungle life is sometimes a mad place. It's you and me together, the end of a wild day. Don't keep it all bottled up and release your energy. Come on, get on up. We're wild and we can't be tamed. And we're turning the floor into a zoo. Come on, keep it up. It's fun if you're down to play. And we're turning the floor into a zoo. Come on, get on up. We're wild and we can't be tamed. And we're turning the floor into a zoo.
Snakes aren't the bad guys. This is our chance to set things right.
No one will believe us.
They're helping the snake.
We took an oath to make the world a better place, and an innocent snake needs our help.
Here we go.
Judy!
Vic!
We need out of here. Hey, Flash, 100-yard dash. We need to get across town.
No problem.
Disney's Zootopia 2. In theaters November 26th. Tickets available now.
A zoo.